Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are fine. I am also very fine, dears. Welcome back to Khalil Master YouTube channel. This is your Khalil Master, Maths Expert. Dear friends, we are going to discuss about the topic trigonometry. Already trigonometry one part is completed here. In that we have studied about the formulae. And today also we are going to learn some more formulas. So let's start the class. Our topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but three angles measurement. It means the main focus is on angle. Angle is denoted by theta. Not only theta, alpha, beta, gamma. Like this we can represent with Greek alphabet, my dear. But more frequently we use theta only. Right? Now, what are the units of measurement of an angle? If we come to this topic, there are several units of measurement of angle. Among them, three are very important units of measurement of an angle. What are those? We shall see now. First one is sexagesimal system. This unit is very important, my dear. Generally, we are also using this sexagesimal measure only. And second one is centesimal system. What is, dear? Centesimal system. And third one is circular system or circular measure. Either circular or we can call it as radian system. Remember, my dear. So like this we can represent in three different ways. These are the units of an angle. Come to the first sexagesimal measure. As I suggested you that this is mostly in India we use sexagesimal measure only. What is sexagesimal measure or sexagesimal system? That we shall discuss now. Listen, my dear, if you take an angle, suppose this is angle theta. So this first ray is called as initial ray. What we call this one? Initial ray. And this ray is called as terminal ray. When this terminal ray will complete one rotation, means from here to here, if it goes and it makes complete one rotation, then it makes 360 degrees. This is as per sexagesimal measure. Now I am going to explain about the first system, that is sexagesimal system. In this there are 360 degrees, my dear, as we are going to study about sexagesimal measure only in our textbooks. If this terminal ray completes one rotation, then it makes 360 degrees. In this 360 degrees, a right angle is called. A right angle is called 90 equal parts, my dear. We can form 90 equal parts. Assume that these are the equal parts of right angle. And there are completely 90 equal parts. How many parts we have? 90 equal parts. And each part is called as 1 degree. It means 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, like this we have 90 equal parts in this right angle. Again, this each degree is divided into 60 equal parts, my dear. How many parts? 60 equal parts. So these are called as 60 minutes, means each part is called as 1 minute. Once again I am going to repeat. Listen to me carefully. This is sexagesimal measure. In this sexagesimal measure, we use 360 equal parts. Each part is called as degree. Terminal ray makes one rotation. Each rotation is 1 degree. In that right angle triangle makes 90 degrees, 90 equal parts. Now here 1 degree it makes. In this 1 degree again 60 equal parts. Each part is called as minute. That means 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Again each minute is divided into, means it is 1 minute my dear. In this again we can divide in 60 equal parts. That's why 60 seconds. Each part is called as 1 second. Hence 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Each minute is equal to 60 seconds. And each part is called as 1 second. It means 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Remember this my dear. And here one right angle is equal to how much? One right angle is equal to 90 degrees. This is very important my dear. You have to remember this one. Once again I am going to repeat. One right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Each degree is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 minute. Again 1 minute is equal to 60 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 second. This is about sexagesimal measure my dear. So remember this one. And next one is centesimal system. In this centesimal system, in the name itself it is there. Cent, century, percent. So centesimal system is nothing but the same concept comes here. Instead of 90 degrees, you can take a right angle into 100 equal parts my dear. How many parts you can take? 100 equal parts. Same here, right angle but not 90 degrees. Here how many parts will make? 100 equal parts will make. So here each part is called as 1 grade. Each part is called as 1 grade. Again each grade is divided into 100 equal parts my dear. How many equal parts? 100 equal parts. And each part is called as 1 minute. Remember. Again each minute is divided into 100 equal parts my dear. And each part is called as 1 second. This you remember. It means in the same way one right angle is equal to 100 grades. How many grades? 100 grades. And 1 grade is equal to, grade can be represented like this, 1 power g. G is nothing but grade here. Here degree can be represented with power small 0. Now 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. So remember my dear, like this we have these parts. So here we have completed sexagesimal measure and centesimal measure. In sexagesimal measure, right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 degree and each degree is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 minute and each minute is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 second. Come to the centesimal measure. In centesimal system, right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 grade. Again 1 grade is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 minute. Again 1 minute is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called as 1 second. This is, you remember my dear, these are very important. And next come to the circular measure. It is also very important my dear. We shall discuss about circular measure now. Now our third unit of measuring angle is radian measure. What is dear? Radian measure. This can be called as circular measure. And this is very important. In the name itself it is mentioned circular. Now we can take one circle This is the circular measure, and the definition is the angle made by the length of the arc. This is the arc, my dear. Some arc is taken, one angle is made here. The angle made by the length of the arc. What is the length of this arc? It should be equal to the radius of the circle. Remember, he may ask this question in examination. This is radius, this is radius. Here we have radii. O is the center of the circle. And with this radii, if it makes an angle equal to the length of the arc equal to the radius. Hence, here this is called as 1 radian. Remember, my dear, what we call 1 radian. That's why we call it as radian measure. In circular measure, we are going to take an angle. How this angle made? This angle is made by the arc of a circle, which is equal to the radius of the circle. It is denoted by 1 power c. This you remember, my dear. It is very important. Now, here this 360 degrees total will make 360 degrees. As we discussed, no, terminating ray will make 360 parts. So 360 degrees. In this total 360 degrees, we can write how many radians? 2 pi radians. This is the formula, my dear. Remember. In other words, you can write 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. It means pi radian is equal to 360 divided by 2. So pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. This one also can be considered as a formula. Pi power c. Pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. Dear friends, here we can take the relation among sexagesimal measure, centesimal measure and radian system. Now you see here, my dear, degree. Degree divided by a right angle is divided degree into 90 equal parts. And next, grades. Grades are divided into 100 equal parts. And circular measure, you can mention it as C. Circular measure is divided into, here 90 degrees if we take. So pi by 2 we can take, my dear. So this is the relation among sexagesimal measure, centesimal measure and circular measure. This is very important formula. You have to remember. Not only this one, my dear, some more relations we have among these that we shall see now. 1 degree is equal to 0.01746 radians. This is also very important, my dear. So what is the degree value? 1 degree value 0.01746 radians. It is also very important. May ask in objective. That's why you have to remember this one. And 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees 16 minutes approximately. It's not exact value, my dear. Approximate value. This one also you have to remember. How much? 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees 16 minutes. These are the formulas related to sexagesimal measure, centesimal measure and circular measure. And based on this, some questions also will be asked, my dear. So you have to prepare all these. Based on this, what type of questions will be asked, how to solve those, that we shall discuss in the next part, my dear. As I suggested you that trigonometry is a very important chapter for TGT and PGT aspirants and it's a very big topic. That's why I am going to divide in parts. In part 1, I have explained already some formulae which are related to 10th standard and today I am going to explain some more topic and in the part 2 we shall discuss some problems based on this formulae. If you want to see remain next part also, please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified for every update. This is your Khalil Master signing off. Thank you.